Vlog again, and for today's video we are going to do a quick review of Medline standard overhead table, which is this one. Okay, so this. If you guys are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and hit the notification bell so you guys can be updated to all our uploads. You never know, maybe one of the things that we unbox and review is something that you guys need, okay? Okay, so since you guys see the unboxing part and the setup, it's quite easy, right? Yeah. As long as you figure out the step, it's easy. So what is our review for this product? What do you think?
I love this product. She uses it a lot for doing the YouTube videos over the bed and lying down, so you can be in a comfortable position doing your work. The kids love it because they get to eat on it while watching TV sometimes.
I never thought that this small table will be so versatile that we basically use it all the time. And the good thing about it, about this table that I really love, is because it's movable, that like wherever you want to use it, it's there. So the price of this is $85.36 in Amazon. So we bought this in Amazon. It's a little bit expensive compared to the adjustable table that you can see out there, but judging from the pictures that they provide, like in their advertisement and whatever, it seems like this is one of the more sturdy, well made, compared to some of those tables. I'm not saying that it is, because I only have this one. So yeah, so the table looks like that. It's made by a like nice material. The surface is glossy, nice wide. Like you can put a lot. Like I can put my MacBook in here and another notebook in here, and the kids can even color on the other side. The like the legs, it's big enough that it's not wobbly. And the thing that I like about it, it's the wheels is very easy to maneuver. The lever to pull it up and down, it's very easy to do. Like it doesn't, as long as you know how to do it, it's like it's easy to pull it up and down. If there's something that I would say that I don't like about this product, is as you guys can see in our unboxing, the manufacturer should give a warning that when you open it like open like as is like it's a bullet kind of thing. Yeah, they should have put a warning there that it will, or they could have packed it a little bit better, because had there's a kid, it can really cause like an injury or something, I would say.
Yeah, they just wrapped it with taped it with
saran wrap.
Yeah, and bubble wrap.
Yeah.
But they should put a sign saying
that it will come out pretty quick.
Yeah.
But if there is one thing that I really love about this table, which when I'm trying to find an adjustable table, none of the thing that I find has the same height, because this table can actually go up to 45-inch. So which is kind of a struggle for me when I'm trying to look for a table like this, because our bed is quite high. So I think like our bed is like 38, and most of the table that I'm seeing, the adjustable table, is like it can go up only to 35 or 33. So like that kind of like no for me already, because for the purpose that I need it over my bed. So yeah, so this is amazing because it can go up to 45-inch. So that's it for our review, and I hope especially the setup, I hope that it helps you guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.